Let's get into the பாழடைஞ்ச பங்களா அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அப்பியரன்ஸாக தெரியுதா இங்கே பார்க்கறச்ச? Yes, you will. So, to start with, so what I did is that I just wanted to protect my plants from these squirrels, sparrows, spiders, and any sort of birds that were coming here. So I just made use of these U hooks, which I got it from Walmart for $3, and they are like hand press type. So you can simply make use of your thumb finger and hand press on your patio wooden floor, and then you can have this kind of a bird net, which I got it from Amazon for $8, and I still got this thick string from, I think, from Walmart again. That's for $33, and this is from a dollar store where we used to use for drying our clothes, those sort of clips. And of course, this kind of plastic covers, I actually took it from my pillow cover. So I made use of the pillow cover, which I was having them safe. So what I did here is I just made use of this U clips. I hand pressed it and I made it in a circular fashion. And to broaden this up, I bought a very wrong net because I didn't had any idea what net to buy. But to make it very cost economic, so I made use of this $8 net. I think this is the cheapest in Amazon in what I saw. However, these holes are little expandable, and I mainly bought this for protecting my plants from not having any pollen. I thought pollen would get filtered out of this, but it didn't happen. But somewhat it did help me. But on the contrary, I didn't had any kind of spiders or bees that were getting into my plant so far, so I felt really happy about it. So, and final thing what I did was, like, once after I hooked all these pins, I just made some hooks free, so that you can insert your hands inside and do some arrangements. So likewise, I have kept some other spot also in case if you want that to get terminated. I can still have this and do a small hand press over here for namesake, so that it's going to be for namesake it will be there over there. So once I placed all these, I just thought it was not expanding enough for me to flow water over here. So what I did was I made use of this craft string, which we make flowers out of this as a base. So I already had this jute rope tied at the top and I had a basket there. I didn't make use of that, so I just pulled it from there so that it expands, and I can flow water here as much as I can. And the reason why I put this plastic cover is I know still sun is going to get in if it is going to be a transparent cover, but all of these extra setups I made because that squirrels or birds might find it to be a trap and they don't come here and disturb my plants. So of course, I don't. Earlier, I used to put bird feed over here, and I also put some food for the squirrels. But now I've stopped it at least for 2 months, and then later I might start it. So this is all the setup. So honestly, it took me only $15 in total to get this setup done. So if you like it, you can also give it a try. I'm not so sure whether this is going to help me. When in the purpose what I am looking for, but somewhat I think it should help. But I also tried use of this setup by having a lot of fork spoons. This you usually get it in a dollar store where you can get as many fork spoons you can, and you can just plug it in all. I mean, you can keep it in all pots wherever you like it. That was really helpful for some period of time. But I thought this net is something very easy because we have this hook set up at the bottom. So for sure, the squirrels will get a little fear to get inside. To make it more scary, we can even have some chili powder spray and chili powder surrounded by that, so that they don't still come in. So I hope this setup should work. And also I made use of few hooks which was there by default, and I had a grill setup here. So generally when you make this sort of DIY projects, you should still make use of what you have, because anywhere if you're going to put a drill, see, if this kind of a wall, if I'm going to put a drill and then put a kind of a screw like that, then it's going to be really difficult for me. So thank God I had some screw setups over here. So as I said, when you do a DIY project, you must make use of what you have there, and with that you can try whatever you can. So I imagined some setup, but it didn't come exactly what setup I imagined for. But I'm really happy with what I've got now, because I'm not going to stop my plants from not growing. It is still going to grow because I have this space completely open. So if it is going to put a height, or if it is going to broaden up, I can still pull this net by just covering. By just pulling a thread over here to the jute setup here. So still I can do the expansion. That's the speciality of this net actually. It can expand as much as we can. So I really like this setup, so give a try if you liked it. So if you need the items, I can put it in the description, or I can text you separately. Thank you all. Bye bye.